My nerves are kind of getting to my asthma. I had a blast. I had the best time ever, and it's such a difference to how I walked out versus how I walked in. I made it to the American Dream Mall at 11 a.m. I did not sleep last night. I got here with plenty of time to spare. My reservation's at 1. I went in really quick, scope out the place. Came back, had a lunch, and now I'm just kind of relaxing. Like, I don't want to overeat or eat too much because I feel like my stomach would hurt if I did. So I'm just I just ate a little bit just to stomach something, and I'm gonna drink some tea. My nerves are kind of getting to my asthma, which my asthma is only triggered by stress and nerves and whenever I'm sick. And obviously that when I'm sick, your body is stressed. So that makes sense. I'm here to learn. I'm here to do something I want to do. Came out here for myself, but at the same time, I hope no one kind of stares at me. Like, I know I'm gonna be feeling so out of place already. Always felt out of place, even when I used to ski. But I know, like, when I first felt out of place when I just beginning swimming, it got better over time, like, because I got used to it, and I was just like, I really don't care anymore. In reality, nothing is gonna go according to plan. And, that whole scrutiny of needing everything in order, it really messes with your psyche. I'm here, and it was not supposed to rain today, and it's raining today. So, but I never used to be like this. Like, I'm the adventurous one in the family. But it got to the point where I started panicking about every little thing. From here on out, I'm going to practice imperfection because it helps me understand nerves. It's a real thing, but it shouldn't get to the point where I'm panicking over every little thing that's outside of my control, because that's not who I am. That's never who I was. And it's a learned behavior. Like, you can unlearn that. I think we as a humanity kind of expect perfectionism from each other, and that needs to change because perfectionism does not exist. Why do I have nerves? I've done crazier things than this. It's just so weird. It's 12:05, so I'm gonna drink some tea and then start getting my stuff together to head in there. I don't know.
Hi there, I'm Hallie O'Brien of the Snow Report Show, presented by Ski Magazine, and I'm here to welcome you to Big Snow, North America's first and only indoor snow dome. Although really, it should be called a snow home, because this is where Big lives. What? You've never heard of Big? Don't worry, I'll introduce you. Big is a snow yeti that loves cold weather, hot cocoa, and making new friends. He's the most adventurous, cuddly snow monster you'll ever meet. But before Big was big, he was little, a little big. And it was his dream to move to the big city. Because someone once told Big, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. I think his name was Frank. And hey, even Yetis can pursue the American dream. Before Big traveled here, he used to slide snow with his friends and family and loved it. Don't worry, they're still doing great. He checks in from time to time. To make sure he didn't get homesick, Big built himself a new home, and this is it, Big Snow. And that way he could share his passion for sliding snow with all of you, his new friends. Okay, now that you know all about Big's story, let's give you a little bit of a tour. Just outside the doors of this gondola, you will proceed to outfitting. If you are in need of outerwear, we've got you covered, and this is where you'll grab it. Next, you'll put on your outerwear. If you're putting on your jackets and pants over your existing clothes, you can use these benches. But if you prefer a little more privacy, we've got fitting rooms available. Outfitting is also where you'll find the restrooms, and we recommend you make a stop here before heading out. Big isn't really a fan of yellow snow, if you know what I mean. From outfitting, you will head to the boot bridge. Prior to getting to the boot bridge, make sure you have your snow pants on, as well as one pair of socks pulled all the way up. The boot bridge is where an ambassador will help you put on your boots. Once you have your boots on, you can find a locker and stow all of your belongings away before heading outside. Well, technically it's still inside, but it definitely feels like it's outside because Big likes things chilly. If you're getting skis or snowboards as a part of your experience, you'll pick those up in the snow dome. Please be advised, snow sports are inherently risky and can result in serious injury. You should ski or ride within your ability level. We strongly recommend the usage of helmets, and if you're under the age of 18, it is a New Jersey state law that you wear a helmet. One quick reminder, the amount of time you purchase on snow will only begin once you enter the snow dome and your wristband is scanned. So if you need a little extra time getting ready, relax, take it easy. There's no need to rush. Okay, now you're ready for your big day on snow, so enjoy yourself and remember to take lots of pictures. You can use one of these hashtags. Big loves to peruse the gram. Have fun out there and welcome to Big Snow.
Like get in between. Just be careful that it's not too low. You got it. That's awesome.
Look, I think I stopped more than I turned. Oh, my nose. Is my nose good?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, give me a second. Oh. Yeah.
Ready? I'm coming. And now start on those heels. Nice job. Oop, it's alright. Keep it going. Now bring it into your toes. Toes and start looking up at me. You had it, remember, bring it into those toes and look up. You wanted to connect the S's. So ready? Now try your S's. So now put that weight forward. Get the nose down. Now carve onto your toes. Nice job. That's good. Seriously. Flip that board around. Now try to bring it into a toe or heel side stop. I'll leave it up to you. Awesome. Great job.
Thank you.
Seriously, great job. Anything for the camera? Oh yeah.
I had a blast. I had the best time ever, and it's such a difference to how I walked out versus my tongue is blue. A Powerade versus how I walked in. When I walked in, I was really self-conscious. I was really scared. I was really nervous. Like, I was such a difference. Like, I was shaking. Like, I was actually really shaking. But that's just how I get when it's something like really far outside my comfort zone, I guess. And oh my God, I just had such a blast learning. I want to come back. I really want to come back. I just totally need to do this again. It was just so epic. It's so worth it. Really need some hot tea though. Like, for me, it's just like the learning experience and just like getting all them jitters out that was really important to me. I did fall a few times. I mean, I'm a beginner, so I'm gonna obviously work on it. And it was just something I wanted to learn this year and work on. So I'm like really happy I did it. Yay! I'm just so stoked. This is what I live for, honestly. I live to have like these cool adventures.